back to zero. Hindi lang back to zero kasi may mga bata na kami kasama eh.
Kasi parang hirap. Sabi ko nga, parang
Are here at say hi to the vlog. So, ito yung aming food. Of course, meron kaming nachos with guacamole. And of course, yes. Ano to? Ano tawag dito sa... Correct? Ay, tayo na prosciutto. Ito na naman po siya.
wala nang
Oo nga, no? Bilis. Hey guys, so welcome back to our mukbang show. Kain kayo dyan. Oh, gumagana siya. Di ba bumili ako?
so pwede ito.
Hey guys, so ito si Madam. Siya po pala ang pinakamagandang Madam sa Abu Dhabi. Pag sabihin ko pinakapangit? Char lang. Ay, take away agad-agad. Are you letting us go? Char lang.
It's okay. This is not the cake.
That's for Vanessa.
Ay, mayroon. Oh my gosh, may bagong
Let's, yes. Sino si Elephant? Use me, here I am, Lord, send me for your glory. Yeah, but this is the second one.
Second one? That's really dope. That's cool.
Hey guys, so we're here at Sushi Library. Chopstick. Oh. Can I see?
Sino pa? Ikaw galing, ikaw mag-piano? Itong dalawa, sino pa?
Miso soup. Yes.
Focus on the...
So yun yung food guys. What's that? The ramen.
Grilled chicken Szechuan, braised beef ramen.
Shock na. Say hi to the Oh, good evening! Kumusta ka?
Okay naman.
Sa kanila kami nagpa-practice dati. Gani! Alala ba? Oh, Dennis! Yan yung sinasabi ko na sa'yo.
Kahit hindi maghanap yun. Lumaya pa na.
Grabe siya! So, ayan yung sushi.
Gusto mo ba?
Sushi pa rin. Yes. Sushi.
Nag-resign na siya
Kaya lang nabuntis dumating si Niel. So, hindi natuloy. Direct tuloy ang Australian dream. Tapos hanggang sa, yun, si Amy dumating. Then, nag-decide sila, America. Dahil doon,
More of prayer. Ang prayer namin, maka-adjust kami agad.
Yes.
At saka, mas maging solid kami. Agad yung guard. At saka yung kaming dalawa, yung huwag kaming, kasi syempre bago environment, lahat bago.
adjustment na.
More of, parang nag-worry sa environment, bagong work, is parang,
Sanay na tayo dyan.
Sanay na tayo mag-adjust.
Sensitive.
Parang inisip ko, yung hindi kami ma-shaken na bag kami lang. Tapos,
Yung
yung stress, yung
Siyempre yung
pagod.
realities of life.
Tapos from the bottom pa. Pero I know, the Lord will guide.
namin, hindi naman more on sa amin yung paglipat eh, more on doon sa future
Sa
ng mga bata. So yun, sana lang yung
sacrifice.
yung faith namin mas mag-strengthen pa.
May church na.
So, Hope Valley Church. Tapos, yung friend ko nakasama sa work na taga-Evan Nation din dito. Nandun siya.
So maganda.
Kaya so yun yung number one consideration natin.
Oo, kasi talaga.
I mean, knowing that you are going to be in a new place, definitely there will be hardships. Siyempre, big adjustments. And you rely on each other, siyempre, when it comes to that kind of thing. So, you definitely, ang maganda nga din so when you move into different relation, there's two things that's always that you need to learn. Is one, what is the situation teaching me? So, meaning to say, how are you going to adapt in the situation? Kasi madalas, katulad yan, may pagod na, tapos, if the things is not going the way you wanted it to be, nagkakaroon ng tension. Pag nagkaroon ng tension, the point of having that tension is for you to learn kung ano man yung nagkakos ng tension mo. So, it requires a big amount of understanding from both sides. So, and ang tandaan when you move there, both kayo, you envision na the family will be there, right? So, ang purpose nun is not to blame one another if there is na tension, not to blame one another, but to fix what is the problem. Kasi pag nagbe-blame, it's splitting yourself, ini-split yung sarili niyo. Diba? And you need each other. Yun ang pinakaano nyo. Lalo na, let's put it this way, maski may community kayo doon, you're not going to be that open in the first several months. Diba? Kayo pa lang. And so, kung ano man yung gagawin nyo doon, dapat kayo lagi nakakampi. So, tag-team kayo dyan when it comes to face na So, it requires a little bit of sacrifice from both ends. Pero, it's not, just a reminder not to measure things na ginawa ko na to, ikaw naman, or whatsoever. It's more of, sige, sagot ko na to habang ginagawa mo. Ano nangyayari? Sabi ko, let's look into that problem. Solve the problem. You don't put the problem in between you, put the problem in front of you para hindi yun yung inano. Kasi most of the time, pag nag-uusap kayo, kala mo, at saka naka-importante yung proper communication. Kasi sometimes you say words na it's not meant for you, pero ang dating isa yun. So, nag-overreact. Ngayon, pag nag-overreact yung isa, nagkakaroon na ng chain reaction na nag-overreact na rin yung isa. Exactly. Because the intention is not actually because of sometimes, kasi nga, when lalo na pag lalaki, hindi madalas magsalita. Pag nagsalita ang lalaki, kala mo para sa'yo, pero hindi dapat talaga para sa'yo. Kasi hindi ako kaaway mo, kakampi mo.
Yes, lagi.
It's something like that. So, sabi ng mga lalaki, since we're not very good in words, medyo let's try to be sensitive when we talk to ourselves. And then we don't, I know that the last thing that we want sa mga babae is masyadong nagdi-dictate. Merong may mali, it's a lesson learned. But the most important thing, if you're going to make a decision, pray. Proven yan. I don't have to give an emphasis on that one. It's when you pray, you just basically align yourself to God's will, and then yun doon bumabagsak yung best.
So, pagdating doon, kaya nyo na yan. Basta sabi nga, may napanood akong movie, sabi nila yung movie doon na always pray. Pray mo yung mga bagay. And then, tama yung square mo. Yung dun sa movie na napanood ko, dapat hindi mo nakalaban yung partner. Which is your partner. The problem.
Lehans mo yung bagay mo, lehans mo yung partner mo. Isa sa iyo.
Fight in prayer. Let God fight, fix it.
And I believe
But
naman,
our role is to pray and ask God to help us fix our problem. So we need to, ang gagawin lang natin is just to pray. Pray to God. Kasi God naman. Kasi sabi nga, you cannot fix your partner, but God can fix whoever. Sabi nyo nga, di ba, it's a new place, new adjustment. Sabi nyo, back to zero. Siguro don't say na back to zero because, di ba, pinag-pray nyo naman na mapunta kayo dun sa place. So, it's God's blessing to you. God is the one who led you to go there. Parang promise land. Di ba, prepare ni Lord yung promise land. So, hindi kayo dun magba-back to zero because nandun na sa Lord. The Lord is ahead of you.
Yes.
At yung blessings, nandun na, naghihintay na. All you need to do is just, again, to continuously seek and follow God. And then, syempre may mga challenges, diba? Dadaan talaga sa mga seasons, diba? Sabi nga, we will walk in the valley. Of course, may mga adjustments kayo mangyari. Pag napanghihinaan na kayo ng loob, always go back to the goal. Always remember that this is what you've prayed for. So, go back to God na, Lord, binigay niyo sa amin to. So, you have to strengthen us and bring back yung joy nung time na pinag-pray namin to, yung excitement. Na hopeful kayong time. So, let's pray to God na ibalik sa inyo pag yung time na talagang nagiging shaky yung situation nyo doon. So, ma-remind kayo lagi na, hindi, bakit tayo nagpo-focus sa negative? Bakit tayo panghinaan? When we were in Abu Dhabi, we were praying for this and we were hopeful and we're so happy when God answered our prayers. So, dapat ganun pa rin yung magiging attitude nyo pag nandun.
Especially don't compare Abu Dhabi to America because it's very different. Yung life dito, di ba? Na-shelter kayo, no? Very comfortable here. But then there, you have to do it on your own. So, dating sa time siguro na maging exhaust, it's not a war, it's a kind of a reminder.
It's a reality.
It's a reality na iba yung ano doon. But then again, yun nga,
Yung
ano ba
future
yung
naman.
ano ba yung goal nyo kasi sa mga kids, the future ng kids. So just always look at that brighter side of why you have been sent there. And there's always yung purpose nyo will be fulfilled in that place. Ito lang yung parang ito yung stage niya na sure kayo ni Lord dito para ready kayo for a bigger diba? Pero talaga si Lord, siya pa rin sovereign and He knows that this is your promised land and we know that diba, you're gonna be prospered in that place and you will be a blessing to that place as well.
Assurance na na nandun na si Lord. Nauna na sa inyo. Kasi naalala niyo yung episode natin, yung top 10 questions. Tinanong niyo ako, ano yung fear ko? Fear of the unknown. And then, lately na may nabasa ako. Bakit ka nga matatakot? Nandun na si Lord.
Yes, ahead of
Parang
you.
yung art of
Diba?
the confidence.
Discern, alam niyo naman na yun, through prayer, madi-discern niyo. And, obey. Ganun lang. Kasi pag naman nag-obey ka, kasama mo talaga si Lord. That would be all.
Wait,
And
okay.
we all pray na talagang maging maayos, very swift ang transition.
Ano nga, gabi
And
darating.
We,
Strong.
yes, most especially
Strong.
yung mga kids, mas maka-adapt sila. At this day is a day to be remembered. Kaya babalikan niyo to and magkikita-kita pa rin tayo.
See you in the US! See you in US!
See you in the US!
See you in the US!
Diba laging nasa unahan?
Oo.
Nag-aano sila
Oo.
sa wilderness. Lagi nilang nasa unahan Ark of the Covenant. Kasi
Yung
parang
presence of the Lord.
Yun yung presence of the Lord na
Oo.
nagpapalakas
That's
sa kanila
right.
na kahit hindi na nila alam kung saan sila pupunta. Pero alam nila for the mga advice that's according to your word, Lord, as a husband and wife. I want to share the verse for them that I hope, I pray na you will always keep this in your heart so that whenever, especially when you are there now, from Deuteronomy chapter 1 verses 30 to 31. The Lord your God who goes before you will himself fight on your behalf. Kasi natin is impossible.
Para namang may exam sila.
Kaya nga, wala naman sa
Ayaw,
pula.
ba't American Council? Sila pagdadaanan ba kayo?
I love it.
Kayo sensitive, kami, bihira kami magsalita. Pag nagsalita kami, hindi pa tama. Mami, makinig ka. Dinadaan ko na nga lang dito para makinig ka.
Focus na lang sa atin. Sabi nung server, may remind lang po kung meron kayong allergy. Saan po kayo may allergy? Sa kanya. What? Galit talaga ako yung patchy. Binalik ako. We're excited for you and for sure, nako, dalawa pa naman din kayong nurse. Mamaya, isang test na you. So, pag dumalo kami sa mansion, mayayaman. Yan naman talaga ang masasabi namin. Yayaman kayo doon.
Amen.
So,
Guys, itong dalawang to talaga ito hashtag fake news. Fake news kasi. I am sorry. Ito si Miss Arizona. Pero ito naman talaga si Miss Colorado. So, yun lang. Ang cute. So, we'll see you.
Okay.
Yay!